Hi guys! What's up? Welcome back sa ating channel. Today, meron tayong sobrang astig na build na perfect pang negosyo, pang adventure, at pang daily drive. Ito na ang fully finished ng ating Day 116T fully loaded extended cabin 4x4 manual. Check this out guys! Naka-Gray Raptor Edition finish na siya. Sobrang angas ng dating. Parang mini off-road monster talaga. Tapos kompleto pa sa accessories. Meron na tayong bull bar, fog lamps, projector lights, winch, stop board, roof rack, canopy with chair setup. Now under the hood, this unit comes with reliable R06A engine, 12 valves, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. At syempre, naka 4x4 pa. So, ibig sabihin, kahit rough road akyatan, putikan, kayang-kaya nito. And honestly guys, iba talaga ang feeling pag mag-manual tapos 4x4. Mas ramdam mo yung control at mas ma-enjoy mong i-drive. And look at the front guys. Bull bar pa lang, panalo na. Dagdag pogi points plus extra protection pa. Meron tayong fog lamps para maliwanag kahit gabi or maulan. And syempre, may winch. So kung mahilig kayo sa off-road or outdoor adventures, sobrang useful nito pag kailangan ng recovery. At one of the best features nitong unit na to ay ang extended cabin. Hindi lang siya pang driver at passenger. Meron kang extra space para sa tools, mga gamit, for camping, mga equipment, recovery gear, or kahit anong kailangan mo sa long drive. Practical na practical talaga.
Yeah. Oh. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah.